absolute coordinate system. In absolute coordinate system, your origin is always going to be 0, 0. That is 0 in the x coordinate and 0 in the y coordinate. If you take a look at this rectangle over here, this is 10 by 10, which means 10 in the x direction and 10 in the x direction and 10 in the y direction. Take a look at the origin. The origin is 0, 0. This is the starting point. Then as we move to the positive x direction, the x coordinate is 10 while the y coordinate is 0. Then from this point upward, the x coordinate is 10, the y coordinate is 10. Then from this point to the left, the x coordinate is 0, then the y coordinate is 10. Then from this point we return back to the origin, which is 0, 0. Now let's see how to use absolute coordinate system to draw this rectangle. To do that, go to the line option, double click on the line option. So what you want to do, as you can see, it says specify first point. Before you specify any point, you need to type the origin. So the origin is 0, 0. So you type 0, 0, enter. So this line is going to start from the origin, as you can see. Then the second coordinate is 10, 0, which is 10 in the x direction and 0 in the y direction. So what you want to do is you want to first of all type hash. So type hash on your keyboard. So after typing hash on your keyboard, then you type 10, which is the first point, then 10, 0, enter. So as you can see, we have the second coordinate. Now for the third coordinate, which is 10, 10, you first need to type hash. So type hash on your keyboard. After typing hash, then you type the first point, which is 10, 10, enter. As you can see, we have the second coordinate. Then we have the third coordinate. Then for the fourth coordinate, which is 0, 10, first of all, you need to type hash. Okay, you type hash. After typing hash on your keyboard, then you type 0, 10, then press enter. So we have the fourth coordinate. Now in order for you to return back to the origin, which is the first point, 0, 0, you just need to type hash on your keyboard and type 0, 0. This is going to take you back to the origin. So this is going to be hash, then 0, 0. This is going to close the rectangle, enter. Now as you can see, this we now have a rectangle 10 by 10. All you need to do is you need to press escape. So this is the rectangle we have. This is 10, this is 10, while this is also 10. Then these are the coordinates. So this is how to use absolute coordinate system to draw a rectangle. And the absolute coordinate system is important when you want to do survey drawing. This absolute coordinate system will come into play.